6 NSCN-IM insurgents killed in encounter in Arunachal Pradesh. AT cops indicted, none of Union Armed Forces charge sheeted, says IFAM. And miscreants try to break upon SBI ATM booth in Imphal, 2 held. A very good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. You're watching the Evening News Bulletin. I'm ALBINA RIAMEI, giving you the latest news updates. In a major counter-insurgency operation, security forces today gunned down at least 6 insurgents suspected to be members of the Naga underground group and SCN-IM in Longding district of Arunachal Pradesh, bordering Myanmar. According to media reports, an operation was launched by a combined team of personnel from Arunachal Pradesh Police, Indian Army and Assam Rifles based on specific intelligence inputs that armed insurgents were present in Nginu village in Longding, about 310 km from state capital Itnagar. At around 4:30 a.m., the security forces made contact with the group who opened fire. A massive gun battle ensued that lasted over 4 hours, in which as many as 6 suspected Nationalist Socialist Council of Nagaland, Isak Muiba and SCN-IM insurgents were killed in a gun battle with security personnel, in which an Assam Rifles personnel was also injured in crossfire in the Longding district of Arunachal Pradesh early this morning. The Assam Rifles had fired at least 250 rounds with automatic weapons. 6 long-range weapons, 4 AK-47 and 2 Chinese MQ have been recovered from the site, the report said. Extrajudicial Execution Victim Families Association Manipur or IFAM today observed its 11th Foundation Day at the association office located at Kwakaitel in Imphal today. Family members of the victims and others paid floral tribute to all the victims of extrajudicial execution on the occasion. On the direction of the Supreme Court of India, the CBI has registered 39 FIRs, out of which 14 charge sheets have been filed. 80 Manipur police personnel were indicted and no personnel of the Union Armed Forces are charge sheeted so far, despite evidences of their involvement in the case, IFAM said. IFAM members and activists associated with the association have documented many instances of extrajudicial executions in Manipur.
Akoigi ngasi IFAM na chathariba casing asi mihar mipun asi daisida family ki support, public support aduga eyewitness obiriba akoigi maruoina witness sing hai tare si sinda phajana cooperate tobiragadi ngasi akoina IFAM na sangsaliba alising ama chonga gi case ki justice purakpada achauba mai pakba evidence haibadu oigaduribanina masina praja mayangi sayojok aduga makoigi support tuna mai pakpa ama gujarapa oigani haibasi achitpa thajabaga loinana ngasi foundation day asiga mari leinana na hongnana imung manung victim sing aduga Manipur praja mayam da appeal tawjari.
Some unidentified miscreants tried to break upon an ATM booth of SBI located near Imphal Palace Gate under Porompat police station in the wee hours today, but failed to loot the cash. A police patrol team foiled the attempt. A report said the police have arrested 2 persons of the incident. They have been identified as Asem Rojit, age of 29 years, of Palace Compound in Imphal East, and Seram Bikram, age of 20 years, of Pukhao Naharup in Imphal East. The police also seized a Maruti van with registration number AS01A5662 from their possession. According to a police report, the miscreants used 1 LPG cylinder, 1 oxygen cylinder and 1 welding machine to loot the ATM booth. As per the CCTV footage, it took around half an hour in their attempt to break upon the ATM booth, police said. The miscreants, however, managed to flee the site on seeing the police. Imphal East District Superintendent of Police, during a media briefing at his chamber, said an FIR is lodged against the duo. He said the accused were arrested from their houses.
Quite enough for me, Sina, so one of the labor putting the labor Sina, Masagi, main culprit or Namasi, Manangarangi, Hoina, Ben Blue, Ben Namachina, Senare, Sequina Kangpatagi, Madugi Makatana, Kongun Matamatan, Lepomatamda, Luina, Kangangamani, Aduga, Muyani Magnamasana crime, Sicamitore, Simasan, Mitore, Aduna Masigi, Aquina, Pornbal Police Station, the fire, Maki, some register Toga, Muzi Makatana, or Taputoga, I get a warm topa. Matik Chava, legal election do appropriate or not local charani and masi media tongue the ma'am the Pundosake.
Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Samray Thau Industry gi anova product ama oina kangna chikpadagi ngakthoknaba organic product na sem sajaba haksang da tainaba organic mosquito repellent puthokjari kangna chikpadagi ngakthokpada natana haksang da taiba matamda tukhong sengdokpa kuchu phajahanba chikpanaba phahanba amadi skin disease kaya phahanba ngamlaba hidakne fangfam michu embroidery sagol bantera khuraijam leikai contact number 9856159680 natraga 9863206335
Kanghanjaba Lamjingba Finance ki loan lobi kiba loni singda khanghanjari madudi COVID-19 laichana maram oiduna lamda masigi civil society organization laingak amadi atopa loop singi wafam taraba matung haukiba March ha ki tang kunmari dagi mathang tha August ki tang taramari fawbagi oina loan gi EMI khomgatpa lepcharure maram maduna mathang tha August ki tang taramanga thang janumitagi loni singi thifam thokpa makhataba EMI sing thidok piba yaragani masigi damak nagamapal rim Shota Laiba Lamjingba Finance ki office ta lakpiduna monetary form mention biu loinana credit score su check tokthok piu monetary form mention bagi matamna tha asigi tang 13 tagi horaga mathang tha gi tang 13 fawba oigani hariba matam masigi matungda lakpa wakat singdi lawzararoi amaromda loni amana karigumba isana lobikhiba loan singdok charage hairabasu apikpa senfamda singdokpagi khudongchaba pijaragani
Ichabu mahi tamhanba haibasi mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudoni Slopland Public School, biggest and the finest residential school, Manipur gi oina lamjuningai oiraba mahi tampham ama oiriba khwaidigi chunaraba mafamda semgatlaba CBSE the affiliate toba higher secondary school oiri icha singbu admission towidana mama mapa singna machada piba ngamba khwaidigi chabu khudol oibiu icha gi phajabalam chat sajat ki ahombadu ubiu Slopland Public School Khongjom.
Welcome back. Dhanamanjuri University, Imphal today organized a cleanliness program at the campus of DM College of Arts. Taking part in the program, Manipur Education Minister Th Radeshyam expressed serious concern over the recent decision of FEGOCTA to take up agitation and stop online classes for non-implementation of 7 pay commission. Radeshyam said the demands raised by FEGOCTA are genuine but added that the decision to stop online class will affect students statewide. The Education Minister also said social service programs are seldom organized in colleges in the state nowadays and urged that, like before, it should be held frequently.
We are here for you. College mein hum tayari tauri, school mein hum tayari tauri. Principal, Commissioner, Oja Singh, Warden, Lairiba, staff mein humse, including Minister Isamang Yauna. Akoi mein humse, Satra ki damakta, Satra ki damakta, Lairi, we are solidly standing behind you. Akoi Satra Singh assignment pi dana adagi moigi study material pi na akoi semi. Moigi rightful demand hai, but appeal towning madi strike tawo city. Pataw rain khale aduga FEGOCTA da yawreba college Oja Singh se moi yamna afaba yamna samaj khanba kamu ngada yam toin toina gi wari sanai moi angang sing gi guide tawna strike tawjeba wane manung na dum takpi tami le don angang sing pakhat kano haina noi media through dai haijak.
India recorded 27,114 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, pushing the confirmed cases tally in the country to 8,20,916 today. According to the latest figures released by the Union Health Ministry this morning, there are 2,83,407 active cases and 5,15,386 cured or discharged cases in India, while the death toll has now mounted to 22,000. 2,123. According to media reports, Delhi recorded 2,089 fresh coronavirus cases, taking the tally in the city to over 1.09 lakh, while the death toll from the disease mounted to 3,300. The tally of coronavirus cases in Mumbai crossed the 90,000 mark yesterday, with 1,354 new patients coming to light, said the Briha Mumbai Municipal Corporation, BMC. Also, with the highest single-day spike of 875 new cases, the cases tally in Gujarat breached the 40,000 mark. The surge in cases comes at a time when several districts across India are reimposing lockdown to contain the spread of infection and break the chain. These include Pune and Thane in Maharashtra and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala, among others, along with the whole of Uttar Pradesh. There is an upward trend in the recovery rate, which was recorded at 62.42% on yesterday. In 18 states and union territories, the recovery rates are higher than the national average as per media reports. Manipur reported the highest spike of COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, with 132 persons tested positive. Total COVID-19 cases in the state now stand at 1,582. An official report confirmed that the fresh cases were tested positive at the Viral Research and Diagnostic Laboratories of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIAMEI in Imphal, and Sub-District Hospital, Jiribam. The new cases are from Imphal West, Jiribam, Kakching, Kamzong, Thoubal, Imphal East, Senapati, Ukhrul, and Tamenglong districts. The number of active cases now stands at 750, while 832 individuals have recovered from the disease till now. The report also said in the past 24 hours, 33 patients were discharged from COVID care centers across the state after they tested negative. With the Jiribam district emerging as a hotspot of COVID-19, the lone COVID-19 isolation ward at Jiribam's Uchathol is facing acute shortage of beds. The authorities have not been able to provide beds to new COVID-19 patients at the center. As per information, some of these new patients are being sent to COVID care centers in Imphal. However, owing to the ongoing lockdown and other problems facing landslide-prone National Highway 37, it is going to be a difficult task for the authority to take these patients to Imphal, sources said. Mention may be made that the state government is opening a COVID care center at Model School in Jiribam's Harinagar to sort out the problem. With the monsoon rain continues to lash the state, the condition of National Highway 37, including Inter-Village Road in Noned district, has been worsened. The present condition of Khumzi Kazilong, which connects Nagaching, Bakwa, Kabuikulen, Khundong, Thingra, and Kazilong, is in pathetic state. Meanwhile, BT Aron, General Secretary of Kabuikulen Student Organization, told reporters that the unmotorable road have made a serious problem for the villagers during emergencies. He urged all local leaders, social workers, politicians and state government to take steps to repair the road without delay. Bishnupur constituency MLA Gobindas Kanthosam donated Rs 50,000 from his April month salary to all Bishnupur district working journalists union yesterday. The MLA handed over the check to Union President Y. Somananda and Vice President Dr. H. Roman during a simple function at his Ningthokong residence. MLA Gobindas said he will continue to help media persons who are playing a major role in the society. Irrigation water has been provided to water-starved paddy fields at Khangabok area by social worker K.H. Manjor. Over 41,000 hectares of paddy fields, including Laipat Lokol, Lohonbi Lokol, Maulubi Lokol, Kiam Lokol, Angom Lokol, and Kaipa Lokol, had been facing acute shortage of water this season. M. Munal, one of the farmers of Laipat Lairak, said that due to scanty rainfall, the farmers were facing difficult problem.
상하용평기 진화우싱 클럽기 미호이싱 마코이 마땡더기 하이리바 담발랑강비 깨낸시대 이싱 우럭 락세브니 가나움바 또바 미호이싱나 에코이나 시엘리바 아무데 오자면 조리 마땡 로우지리바 신났다바 아또빠니 아두니 하이나 하이리브세 마시 또비누 마시데 로미 에코이 농아이지데 तसेंगना नोइसु लागना थोपिरो अदुगा पुना सेनमिनसी अदु नत्तबिदा नाकन लेपगा सुमायना हाइबसी तौबिनोयना.
Speaking to media, KH Manjor thanked Hyrock MLA and Education Minister TH Radeshyam for allowing them to divert water from Hyrock River. He also said that hundreds of farmers had been hit badly due to scanty rainfall. KH Manjor stressed that farmers are the backbone of the society. Students' Union of Lilong Haureibi College today launched a poster campaign demanding resignation of college principal Dr. A. Suranjit Singh. The union has accused the principal of indulging in corruption. Meanwhile, Union Finance Secretary Mohammad Saddam Khan demanded the related department to clarify over issuing suspension notice against 3 secretaries of the union.
Principal letter President amadi Vice President ko daram gi matungina union ahum maral laitana suspension tawbire karigumba union maral lairam labagadi isaniana lebak miyam khangna resign tawjagani union aikoida return tawraga union maral lai haijillaga masagi aranba kupsin naba hotnariba principal Dr. A. Suranjit Singh masane yana resign tawbna phagana khali student union nasu maral laiba amata lemna khaktaroi Asumba kita makta gekrigani mian su cooperation pibi waina student union na hongdok rakli ngasigi asumba pamba BJP laingakna asumba to birakani haina su achet pathajaba leije
Moirang constituency MLA P. Sarachandra, who is also the government chief whip, appealed to all to take responsibility for all developmental works taken up in the state under the initiative of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was distributing LPG cylinders and stoves under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana at Ram School, Pangai Bazar in Imphal East today. BJP Imphal East President L. Kamni, BJP Manipur Pradesh Kisan Morcha, Vice President Dr. K.S.H. Kala were present at the event. Cooking gas sets were distributed to 50 beneficiaries.
Aikoi pramukh se chingaga pulap na nungai na seminarasi hai ba phawulok and adu aragadi amma bhawa khena balaitaba pulap nang nungai binagadaba pulap nang waminagadaba adu society de karmaine create tawni hai ba kandadi BJP ki policy da hai se kwaidagi hena hanthana leiba mido kwaidagi hena laira ba mido upai lejatra ba mido adudagi ekoina kana ba piram daida government ki program ma khama wonda yahon gena khalak matamda kwaidagi maral leiba ni pado chaur ba ni pado horuranu kwaidagi maning da lemba sol ba mi upai lejatra ba dudagi masing thiba horor dorgari automatically level playing field level kenability ba inclusion na report to madi porto lakani hai se
Moirang Diet and SCERT government of Manipur observed the World Population Day at Diet Office Moirang in Bishnupur district today. Director SCERT Dr. M. Meena Kumar and Principal SIET Moirang H. Nikshori and Project Officer W. Ratan Kumar attended the function. Saplings were also planted at Diet Moirang Office Complex as part of the observance. Again, we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Khanghanjaba lamjingba finance ki member sing da khanghanjari madudi COVID-19 laksinaba lauthokiba lockdown na maram oiduna matam kuina lepluraba lamjingba finance ki thabak sing mathang tha August ki tang 15 dagi amuk haujaragani matam kuina piba lepluraba member sing ki benefit sing September ki tang 18 leibak pokpa namit dagi piba haujaragani September amasung October tha anisigi oinadi 1% da pijagani aduga November tha dagi hauraga matung taba tha singi oinadi Hanagumna agreement lainakiba percentage ta adumak pijagani amaromda sahi asigi haukiba March thagi tang kun phawgi manungda leiba benefit lauthoogdaba member singi oina September gi tang 3 ta pithokseragani makhatana member singi mafamda khanganjari madudi malem pumbada COVID-19 laichat lakpadagi wanaraba matam oibana civil society organization laingak amadi atai lup ke agi wafambu na thaiba yadabana matam kuina lamjingba finance su thabak suba yadabadagi thonglonduna leirurai Maramaduna, Hokiba Mars Tagi Tankun Mathoidagi Horaga, Mathang Tha August ki Tankun Phawgi Oina, members singi benefit Pizararoi. Adubu Piho the Bathasing Adu Paraga, maturity pereta Oina Sangdok Sergani. Masida, Nungsizaraba member singna Waru Biroi Kanjai. Loinana, Haizariba Wafum Singasida, member singna Apam Pam the Yaurabasu, COVID-19 Laksinava, lockdown like Kibadagi, Wanaraba Matam Oivana, Aikoi Punna Saruk Yamina Sihaina, Lamjingba Finance ki Maikadagi, Kanganjari. Khanganjariba Lamjingba Finance.
Mega Manipur School, Yarul Patansit Road, Imphal East, established under the aegis of Mega Manipur Society. Admission open for Class 11 Science and Arts. Limited seats on first come first serve basis. Eligibility for 11 Science 60% and above, for 11 Arts 50% and above. Last date of online or offline form submission 20th of July 2020. Special features: the school in Manipur with foreign language teacher-student ratios 1:20, artificial intelligence and robotics, farming activities. As a response to the COVID-19 pandemic, Mega Manipur Society offers a one-time 50% reduction in admission fee for Class 11 students in the school, which provides wholesome education to make the students responsible citizens. In public demand, some additional seats are also added in each class. And for more details and facilities, please contact Principal, Mega Manipur School, mobile number 9774785283, or you can also email us at megamanipurschool@gmail.com. You can also visit the website www.megamanipurschool.in.
Welcome back. Staff members of Sub-Divisional Office Moirang, under the supervision of SDOCH Shomendro, organized a cleanliness program in and around the office campus today. Saplings were also planted during the program. SDOCH Shomendro said if every individual plants one tree each and nurture them, a huge change will come up in the environment. 2015 to 2018 alumni, along with teachers of Government Polytechnic Takiel Imphal, today organized a tree plantation and cleanliness program on the theme "Let Nature Generate Freely to Preserve Human Environment" at the Institute Complex.
Akoina ngasi tawjaribagi tasengna maroyo pandamdi akoi hongliba inga sagi khaljigi fibamji khadoiju kanba ngamna haidna koi satra sing punjanjaraga volunteer oina koi donation khaga tawjaraga angang nu thokjaraga tawjabane
kogi hawa nungsit kari kari se koina masi pollution siga yamna mari leinaba matamnina haji ban mosok ki matang season ju oiba ado kogi satra sangsan elamlina kogi college sibu nungsi bidana adagi college sibu phajahanba amadi leibaki oina kogi sumba environment se save tawnanaba sumaina initiative lobidana tawbase koi yam nungaijai.
Hari Khagok Makong Development Committee today organized the 3rd annual tree plantation program in Mahabali Forest area under Imphal East. Let's Repair Mother Earth Lungs was the theme of the event. Yai School Constituency MLA Thokchom Satyabratha lauded Hari Khagok Makong Development Committee for organizing the program. He underlined on the role of everyone in keeping a check on the global climate change.
Lemna singna reiba khoi environment change ki climate change ki lai be shu me amse kokna na ba jaga khunung tan ha singna ihoina u tha da ba ya de pambi hon da ba ya de nature kan da ba ya de malem se kan da ba ya de na changkhel le khong thang ni manung da Hari Khagok Makong Development Committee na sau yarak pasi haininga le tan thaga chei.
Assam is going to have first ever bamboo industrial park in the northeast. This industrial park will be set up in Mandardisa in Assam Dima Hasao district. According to a media report, earlier in a tweet, Union Donor Minister Jitendra Singh announced that this project will be built on an area of 75 hectares at a total cost of rupees 50 crore. The in-principle approval will be granted this project in August this year. Further, the central government also plans to set up another project for bamboo park in Itnagar, Arunachal Pradesh, which would be taken up by the Northeastern Council NEC. Donor Minister Jitendra Singh said that bamboo will play a key role in fulfilling goals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's clarion call of vocal for local. A total of 94 new COVID-19 positive cases, including 70 BSF personnel, were detected, taking the tally to 189 active cases in Meghalaya in the last 24 hours. This is the highest spike where 94 positive cases reported in one day in the state. According to media reports, Meghalaya has recorded 234 COVID-19 cases so far. The new positive cases detected yesterday include 70 BSF personnel, 18 from East Khasi Hills District, 5 from Ribhoi District and 1 from East Gentia Hills District. The breakup of 189 active cases include 161 in East Khasi Hill District, which include 132 BSF personnel, 2 Indian Air Force and 27 civilians, 20 Boy 6 in West Garo Hill District and 2 in East Jantia Hill District. So far, 45 have recovered from the infection. The Mizoram government has lifted the restriction on entry of transport vehicles carrying non-essential commodities into the state, a statement by State Information and Public Relations Department. According to media reports, the order came into effect from July 8 last. All types of commodities will now be permitted to be transported to the state without obtaining prior permission from the state government. Assam has reported 936 fresh COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking the state overall positive cases to 15,536 with 5,650 active cases. Of the new cases, 521 cases were reported from Guwahati city alone. As per media reports, along with the surge in coronavirus positive cases, Assam is also witnessing a spike in the number of COVID-related deaths. 8 deaths were reported from Guwahati yesterday. 9,848 individuals have recovered of the disease and 35 individuals succumbed to COVID-19 till now. Meanwhile, Assam Health Department has informed State Chief Secretary that 1 more week of lockdown will be enough to bring Guwahati COVID situation under control. State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has informed Assam Chief Secretary of this decision and says that a week would be enough to bring the COVID-19 situation under control in Guwahati. DGCA, the nodal agency for civil aviation in India, recently issued a notification extending the ban on scheduled commercial international flights till July 31. While the ban was earlier supposed to be till July 15 as per the MHA guidelines for Unlock 2, it was extended within a few days of the notification. According to media reports, the Vande Bharat mission, which is the largest of its kind repatriation mission undertaken by any country, is in its 4th stage now and will end on July 31 as well. Back on May 25, when governments restarted the scheduled domestic flights, they reduced the flight capacity to 1/3 of the original schedule of air carriers. The same model can be applied in the international flights too. Not only this, Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri had on June 20th last said the government will start thinking on the resumption of scheduled international passenger flights in mid-July, when it expects the domestic air traffic to reach 50 to 55% of the levels before the coronavirus. Before we end the bulletin, let's look at the top news headlines once again. 6 NSCN IM insurgents killed in encounter in Arunachal Pradesh. AT cops indicted, none of Union Armed Forces charge seated, says IFAM. And miscreants try to break upon SBI ATM booth in Imphal, 2 held. And with that, we have come to an end for this evening news bulletin. Thank you for joining us. Good time ahead.